Hello and what was going on, guys? It's Timothy Wang here, back with another video. So into this video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to create a function in Python. So first, let's create a new file and save it as a .py file. I'm going to save it into my desktop. So I'm going to type main.py, any name that you want to name it, but make sure to add a .py extension. So click enter if you are not already done. It will change it into a .py file in Visual Studio Code. Now we can now create our function. To create a function, just type def, the name of the function, for example start, and add an open close parentheses and colon. And as you can see, it will indent it, and inside of that block you're going to be putting the code that you want to run if you call that function. So example, print hello. So let's create a input variable, for example. So ask equals input. For example, let's create a math question. 1 plus 1 equals, and then we should make it as an integer, so int. So ask if ask equals 2, we need to type start, we do open close parentheses, then let's type else print restart. Not restart, but print hello. So if we save this and run it, you can see this. Then if you click 2, it will print that hello world thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, don't dislike, hit the subscribe, and don't be wack. See you guys next time. Goodbye.